Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make a wall decor for Deepawali with wall putty. I included Goddess Lakshmi, Ganesh Ji, Mseal, Subh Labh to the decor. I customized this decor according to my choice. Okay, let's start. To make a dough of wall putty and water, I am taking a plastic container. Ratio of wall putty and water is 3:1. Means if I am taking 3 spoon of wall putty, then I am mixing 1 spoon of water. Mix it without forming any lumps. As the leaf is big in shape, I am taking more powder. Make dough according to the size. After kneading properly, I spread the dough with rolling pin. Spread it evenly. Then I am going to place this paper leaf cutting to the dough. Secure the paper by slowly pressing it so that when I cut the extra dough, it will not move. This video is in 4x time-lapse mode, so do this process very slowly. Cut the dough with a sharp and pointed knife. As you can see in the picture, before I thought of including Ganesha only, then I changed my plan. That's why I said I customized. It's according to your choice that how you want your art piece would be. Making a thin pipe with the dough. Pasting with fevicol or fevibond. Cutting Mseal design from the dough. If you find difficulty in directly cutting the design, draw the design in the cardboard and cut like this. Pasting Mseal to the leaf using wall putty paste. To make a stick shape, using 2 pens and joining them together with glue gun and pasting it to cardboard. If you have wooden MDF of this size, use that for pasting the pen. Cover it with wall putty dough. After making the leaf, I realized it is heavy and I need some strong thing to support the leaf, so that I am cutting this MDF board piece to support the stick and leaf together. Using fevibond gum to paste the stick. To make Ganesha idol using cardboard cutting, first giving base coat with wall putty dough. Using clay tools, knife, pen refill for this process. When the wall putty dough is dried up properly for 4 hours, using air dry clay for more detailing. These type of small idols are available in the market also. You can paste that also with Mseal. To give more strength to the stick, I wrap aluminium wire to the stick. How to make this hanging hook is shown in my previous videos. In most of my video, I explain how to make this. If you are new to my channel, please check the video. Link is given in the description box. Tying a thick thread to the stick and leaf. First, I paste this thread with fevibond and then use Mseal to ensure it is pasted properly. Now using 3D outliner to write Subh Labh in cardboard pieces. If you like my video, please share it to your group and family members. Please do subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I pasted everything. I used Mseal to paste the idols. I pasted Readymade Lakshmi idol to the leaf. Now using acrylic black color for coloring. I am going to give an antique look with bronze and gold color. That's why I use black color as base. When the bronze color dried up properly, give 2 layers of coating with gold color and finally with a clear coat of varnish. I hope you like the look of the decor. These are the 2 looks. Tell me through comments which one you like. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get instant notification of my videos. If you have any suggestions, do share. Thank you all for your valuable comments. Thank you for watching.